Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Opendoor Technologies just several days ago, to be precise, on November the 7th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.56. And at this point, my main assumption was that we have to see a lower price action and we have to retest the golden pocket range, the level around $4.86 mark, and we have to see at least a bounce to the upside that should be significant because of its recent decline in price. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point somewhere here, and since I made my previous video, this asset went lower and it retested exactly to the tick this level of $4.85, and it lost during this movement a substantial 26%. And then, guys, you can see that it had a very sharp recovery, and for now, guys, it gained from its lowest point to the current price about 70% to its value. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive this type of calls pretty much on a daily basis with a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, on today's video I will show you what should we expect from the upcoming days and what should we expect from the Opendoor in the upcoming trading days, what crucial levels do we have, and how we can benefit out of its movements. So first of all, let's begin with the result of their earnings report. You can see that they missed their expectations on earnings per share by a substantial 57%, but they beat it on revenue. And guys, this company, in my opinion, fundamentally is not the best company, because if you take a look on the forecast for the stock, wait a second, I will do it a little bit different. If you take a look at the forecast, you can see that the average consensus price target from 6 analysts is just $3.22, and the highest one is set at $8. And guys, it is quite interesting, but I was quite discouraged about this forecast. Let me show you this in details. If you click right here, you can see that the most recent news related to the stock are following, and one of the most important ones is this one that was published on Reuters just 14 hours ago. Opendoor jumps as JP Morgan remains bullish on a new leadership, sets street high price target at $8. Guys, to be honest, this company in my opinion, is not so viable on the current market conditions. During the most bullish times for the US stock market and for the recovery right after the COVID pandemic hit, this asset did not perform very well, and that is why it will not succeed if the market goes south. That is why, guys, be cautious with your position. I told you that it is not the asset that you should invest, that you should have in your investment portfolios, because in the long-term perspective, I believe that this asset is it is worth much lower than the current price. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely this type of movement without substantial retracement that from its lowest point to its highest point brought about 71% to the value of this company has to have a cool down. And this cool down, guys, might lead to lower price targets. But first of all, let me show you the real reason why this asset went to the upside. And definitely it is the retail-driven community. It is the Wall Street Bets community. You can see that this asset is on 13th place on the Reddit threads on the Wall Street Bets community. And if you take a look at the stocktweets.com website, in the watcher section, you can find Opendoor Technologies on the 5th place. Let's take a look at its trending section. Do we have Opendoor right here? No, we haven't. And do we have it among the most active ticker symbols? Yes, we have it on the 2nd place, which means we have very strong support from retail community. That is why the price of Opendoor Technologies skyrocketed from the crucial level of support from the technical standpoint. And let's take a look, let's define the price targets that this asset might hit in the upcoming days. First of all, well, to be honest, I don't see the clear structure even on an hourly time frame. Let's switch to, let's say, 15 minutes time frame, and let's take a look right here. Well, quite interesting, but in my opinion, we still have a chance to see at least one more leg to the upside. But guys, please do not bet on this movement, because in the majority of cases, and most likely, we might hit let's say just a previous swing height for 8.49 on $8.5 mark, and then we might see the trend sharp decline, the trend reversal. And that is why, guys, if my assumption is correct, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And if this asset goes a little bit higher, you have to adjust this tool. But for now, we have this as the highest point for this asset. And in this case, guys, the levels which might be the price targets for this stock in the recovery, so-called recovery mode, might be the following: 7.53 and even $7 mark, which implies, wait a second, about 9% and about 15% of downside potential in the foreseeable future. That is why, guys, be cautious with your long positions with this asset, because well, if we take a look at indicators and on a bigger time frames, we don't have any signs of its overbought condition. But the lower we go, the more overbought condition we have on RSI. You can see that on 4 hours time frame we are still in the neutral territory, but 3 hours time frame is scratching the border between overbought and neutral territory. 2 hours time frame is at overbought condition, is already at overbought condition. 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are quite high. 45 minutes time frame, we are even forming a bearish divergence. This means, guys, be cautious with your long position and wait for more substantial recovery, for more substantial retracement of this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star.